I want to show you how to turn these King's Hawaiian sweet rolls into... So if you love the Hawaiian sweet rolls, then you're going to love these Danishes. They are super easy to make. I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make them, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so that you can go check it out. But let's get started because it's time to get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 1 tablespoon of melted butter into the bottom of a 9 by 13 baking dish. And I'm just going to spread it all around. This just keeps them from sticking to the bottom. All right, I'm going to break my rolls apart. Then I'm going to cut an X on the top of each roll, being careful not to go all the way through the roll. All right, so next I'm going to make the cream cheese filling, and you will need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. All right, so you will want to make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. It just mixes so much better. So to my cream cheese, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, I'm going to add 1 beaten egg. I've just changed to a whisk, and I'm just going to blend this all together till it's smooth and creamy. Is nice and smooth. Now I'm going to pour it into a Ziploc bag, and I've just placed it in a cup. Just makes it easier to fill the bag. All right, then I'm just going to cut the tip off of the bag. And then I'm going to begin to fill the rolls, just filling them completely up. So then I'm going to make a cinnamon and sugar glaze to pour over top. I have a half of a stick of butter melted and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add a half of a teaspoon of cinnamon. All right, then I'm just going to pour this glaze over top of the rolls. Then bake in a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the cream cheese mixture is set. Just look at these. Oh, yum. Now I have got to go in for a taste. But first, come and check them out. All right, so here goes. Yeah, you won't be sorry if you make these. I'm just saying. These would be perfect for Christmas morning. Yeah. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.